Welcome back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katy, and today I have a summertime treat for you from Viola Shipman's The Recipe Box. Now in the recipe box, we meet Sam Mullins, who had big city dreams of being a New York sous chef. But when it looks like those are going to start to crumble all around her, she heads back home to her family's pie bakery and orchard. There, she works with the women in her family to make many recipes that have been handed down through many generations in her family. She learns a lot about them, about their stories, their strengths, and her own strengths through the baking. Now, we have an awful lot of tasty recipes included in this book, but we chose today to make ice cream sandwiches with maple spice chocolate chip cherry chunk cookies. Let's get started. To make the cookies, we'll need 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon butter, room temperature, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup dark brown sugar packed, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon maple extract, 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1½ tablespoons cocoa powder, 1/2 12-ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/2 12-ounce bag of white chocolate chips, 1/4 cup flaked coconut, 1/2 cup of dried cherries or cranberries. We're going to start by adding our butter to a large mixing bowl and creaming that. We'll add in our white and our brown sugar next. Once that's well combined, we'll add our egg and our vanilla and maple extracts. Now we'll combine our flour, our cocoa powder, baking soda and salt, and we'll sift them into a larger separate bowl. Now we're ready to slowly combine this in with our butter mixture. Okay, next we're going to stir in our semi-sweet chips, our white chocolate chips, our coconut flakes, and our dried cranberries or cherries. Oops, missed a few. Once we have that well combined, we're going to drop by heaping teaspoonful onto a baking sheet. Now since we're turning these into ice cream sandwiches, I'm going to flatten them just a little bit. And now we'll bake at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. When your cookies are ready, pull them out and allow them to cool for 1 hour before making into ice cream sandwiches. Once your cookies have had at least an hour to cool down, you can make them into ice cream sandwiches by simply adding a scoop of your favorite vanilla or any flavor ice cream in between 2 of the cookies. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Cooking by the Book. If you'd like to read the recipe box by Viola Shipman, head on over to the library's website or give us a call to put a hold on it, and we'll see you next time.